Hello, welcome to our special yoga class today. So we have Mr. Javir Mehta performing yoga for us today. It's after a lot of convincing, so I hope you enjoy the class. And we'll do a quick session which will be of around I think 20 minutes to 25 minutes. Let's see how much it is. So I have prepared a few asanas and you just have to follow us along. Okay, so we will start. Come to front of the mat. We'll start with Surya Namaskar A. Bring your hands in front of the chest. This is 1, 2, 3. Go all the way down. Take your head inside. 4. Look straight. Back straight. 5. Walk back to plank. 6. Go for Ashtang Namaskar. Knee, chest, chin down. 7. Bhujangasana. Lift up for Adho Mukha Svanasana. And hold for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2. Ujjayi breaths is nothing but taking long deep breaths. 3, 4. Keep taking your head inside, look towards the navel. And 5. Now bend your knee, look between the palm. Walk forward or jump forward in between the palm. Very good. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, fold forward, take your head inside. Inhale, come all the way up, look up. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, look up where your thumbs meet. Take your hands up. Palm joint. Dve, exhale, fold forward, nose to knee. Trini, inhale, look straight, back straight. Chatwari, walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. So this is more like Ashtang Namaskar but knee off the floor. Then go for Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, entire body in air, thighs away from the floor. Then go for Adho Mukha Svanasana and we shall stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Take long deep breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale. Very good. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Inhale 4. Keep taking your head inside. Knee tight. Exhale. Hip goes up towards the ceiling. Inhale 5. Exhale. Bend your knee. Look between the palm. Jump or walk forward. Inhale. Lengthen the spine. Look straight. Exhale. Fold forward. Take your head inside. Inhale, go all the way up. Look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. Come to front of the mat. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Take your head inside. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight, back straight, fingertips on the floor. Chatwari, exhale, jump or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga is entire body in air. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Thighs off the floor. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hip up. Take your head inside. 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Look inside. One day you have to touch your head down. Inhale 4. Exhale. Shoulder goes away from the ear. Inhale 5. Exhale and bend your knee. Look between the palms. Sapta, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Look straight. Ashtau, fold forward. Take your head inside. Now inhale, come all the way up. Look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. We'll do 2 more but little faster than this. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward, nose to knee. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, jump or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. षट, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, head inside, shoulder away from the ear. 3, push the heel down. 4, hip goes towards the ceiling. And 5, Sapta, bend your knee, walk or jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, Ashtau, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. You got one more. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Grab your ankle, head to knee. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, jump or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep your palms and arms strong. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Entire body in air, thighs in air, only your feet and palms are touching the floor. षट, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, press the heel down. Exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4, breathe, long deep breaths. Exhale. Inhale 5, exhale. Sapta, bend your knee, look between the palm, jump or walk forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Ashtau, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, look where the thumbs meet. Come back to Samasthiti. That was excellent. Now please lie down on your back. Lie down on the mat. So this sequence that we are doing today is for like students who have experience in yoga, and this sequence is not for novice. So if you are a beginner in yoga, please do not attempt this. Okay, now bend your knees. Keep your palm next to your ear or your shoulder. We are going to go for Urdhva Dhanurasana, also known as Chakrasana, for 5 breaths into 3 times. So let's do the first time. Lift your body up and breathe in the posture. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4, exhale. Inhale 5, exhale. Slowly come down. We'll repeat this 2 more times. Let's go for round 2. Lift up again. Take the proper position of the palm. Lift up. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4, exhale. Inhale 5, exhale, and slowly come down. The key here is to breathe. If you will not breathe, you will feel your body very stiff. So kindly breathe. Now let's repeat this for last time. Take your position. Keep your palm properly grounded. The entire body rests only on your palm and your feet. Lift the body up. Hold. Inhale 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. 2 more. I know it's getting tough. Inhale 4. exhale, inhale 5 and slowly come down. Very good work. Now turn and sit down. Keep your both the palms straight. Feet straight. My bad. Take both the hands up. Exhale and grab your toes. We are going to hold Paschimottanasana for 15 breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Keep going down. Inhale 4. Exhale. Inhale 5. Exhale. Inhale 6. Take your nose to your knee. Exhale. Try. Inhale 7. This is an excellent asana, especially during this time when we're sitting a lot. Inhale 8. Exhale. Inhale 9. Exhale. Inhale 10. Exhale. Inhale 11. Exhale. Inhale 12. Exhale. Inhale 13. Exhale. Inhale 14. Exhale. Inhale 15. Exhale. And for a while lie down in Shavasana. Okay, now we'll go for Sarvangasana. Can you turn on this side? Lie down on your back. Make sure you tuck your t-shirt in. Now lift your legs up till 90 degrees first and then lift your entire body up. And we'll hold Sarvangasana for 10 breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Inhale 4. Exhale. Inhale 5. Take long deep breaths, body straight. Exhale. Inhale 6. Exhale. Inhale 7. Exhale. Inhale 8. Exhale. Inhale 9. Exhale. Inhale 10. Exhale. Now slowly take your legs back in Halasana. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale, knee straight. Inhale 4. Exhale, take the breaths. Inhale 5. Exhale and slowly release the legs. Bring the legs down, straight down. And now we shall go for Matsyasana. From lying position, or you can turn and sit down, howsoever is comfortable. Take Padmasana, cross your feet. Can you show your legs? Yes, so cross your feet in Padmasana. And then slowly, one by one, keeping your elbow down, right elbow, left elbow, and then keep your head down. Now keep your palm next to your face. Lift your head up, place your crown of head on the floor, and slowly try to grab your big toe. Stay in this posture. We'll stay here for 7 breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, push the knee down, exhale. Both the knees should be touching the ground. Inhale 3, exhale, elbow touching the floor if possible. Inhale 4, exhale. Inhale 5, exhale. Inhale 6, exhale. Inhale 7, exhale, and slowly come up the same way you went down. Release your head, then come up with the help of your elbow. Very nice. And then slowly release your legs one by one. Excellent work. Now we shall go for Sirshasana. So like I told in the beginning, disclaimer, this is not for novice. This is for little experienced yogis who have done these asanas before. Please do not attempt if you haven't tried it. So for the ones who know Sirshasana already, you can do it with the wall or without the wall, howsoever you have been doing it. Okay. Now keep your palms down. Make a fist with your hand. Elbows stacked down. Place your head next to your palm. Walk your feet in and then slowly lift your legs up. We'll stay here for, let's see how many breaths. We can do 25 breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4, exhale. Very important to push from the elbow. Inhale 5, exhale. Inhale 6, exhale. Inhale 7, tuck your stomach in, exhale. Inhale 8, entire body should be tight, exhale. Inhale 9, exhale. Inhale 10, exhale. Inhale 11. Okay, so for today we will keep only 11 counts or maybe 10 counts. As we progress in the practice, we can increase the count of the breath. Now turn and sit down in Padmasana. Cross your legs like we did in Matsyasana. This is called Padmasana. Now keep your palms on your knee, index finger and thumb touching each other, palm facing up. Now lock your chin to your chest and take 10 deep breaths. Back straight. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4, exhale. Inhale 5, exhale. Inhale 6, exhale. Inhale 7, exhale. Very important to keep your spine erect. Inhale 8, lock your chin, exhale. Inhale 9, exhale. Inhale 10, exhale. Slowly release your chin lock. Now release your palm and keep your palm next to your knees on the floor, on the mat. We'll try to do Utpluti. You have to lift your entire body up on your palm. Ready? Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, look straight, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, slowly come down. That was a great session. Now we'll end the session with 3 Om chants. Bring your palms next to your chest. In Namaste. Take a long deep breath in and start. Inhale. Inhale. You may lie down in Shavasana for 1 or 2 minutes. I'll put an end to this video. Stay lying in Shavasana for as long as you want. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.